Hey, what's up you guys? My name's Towns, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to paint a dog portrait. Let's do this! For your reference picture, make sure that it's a high quality, bright image. It's difficult to paint from something that's low quality or pretty dark. So you're going to use the liquid mask on the eyes, nose, and teeth, pretty much anywhere where you want to leave it white. Now to start, you're going to use the lighter colors like the yellows and create the base coat. If you end up having to use darker colors, you can easily paint over them. What you don't want to do is start with dark and work to light. It's very difficult, though it is possible, and this way you're able to see how the paint moves through the water without making any kind of permanent mistakes. Focus on the mouth. When I put Opera Rose in there, I realized that it is too much of a bright pink for his tongue, so I went back and added some red, and as you saw that it bled out really fast, so I quickly fixed that with dabbing it with a paper towel. Now we're going into the gums. I kind of liked the whole mixture of the red and the Payne's Gray and the Opera Rose, so I kind of used that as his gum and tongue color. Going in to fix the details of his gums with the Payne's Gray and working out some of the details for a little bit. Now that it's dry, we're going to go back with Payne's Gray, but this time we're not going to dilute it so much with water. This will give us more of the straight black look without using straight black. And see on the nostrils how the liquid mask is still working? You're not able to paint in those spots even with the darkest colors, which is really awesome. Some more details in the mouth. Teeth, gums, showing some sort of definition. Now this is removing those liquid mask spots with the nub that came with the pack. If you're able to find it without it, you can just use your finger. Now that we've removed all those spots, it's time to go back and paint over the details and everything and blend those bright spots in with the rest of the painting. After you're satisfied with all the paint, we're going to go in with a ballpoint pen. I like to use that kind of pen with a fine point to help add the details of small little fur strokes. You can define the nostrils, pupils, anything that you think needs a little fine tuning. Now once you're finished, all you have to do is just sign it and frame it. And then you're done. Good job.